Two-step verification adds an extra layer of security to your Yahoo Mail account, protecting it from unauthorized access even if someone knows your password. So by enabling this feature, you'll need to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email whenever you sign in from a new device. It's a simple but highly effective way to keep your account and personal information safe. So for that, go to mail.yahoo.com, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, then tap on account info. Once you're in this page, tap on security that you will find between personal info and privacy controls in the top. From this page, you need to simply scroll down, and under ways of signing in section, you will see the option of two-step verification that is off right now. Now go ahead and select the method that you prefer, either push notification, phone number, authenticate to app, or security key. I'll go ahead and tap on push notification. Now you can go ahead and download any Yahoo app and then sign into your Yahoo account. Once you're signed into the app with this Yahoo account, you can head back here and continue. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.